Yes, success. Okay, so I'm about to cut the lower part of this cabinet out in my head. I have other projects I should be working on, but I can't stop myself, and nobody's here to talk sense into me, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. I want to put my holding tank behind the head. I'll be mounting glassing a shelf in for it to sit on. I need to pull this out to kind of see where everything's going to fall, and then I'll build a new cabinet out that covers the holding tank and go from there. It's really tight fit, so we'll see how well it goes. But right now I just want to get this cut out. I sanded a little bit to see if there were plugs. If there are, I think they're so buried that it makes more sense. Since I don't want to take the whole wall off, I just want to cut from here down for now. And I'm more than happy to take it all out and put in a new cabinet. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now, using this fancy multi-tool, which I never used these until I had a boat. Man, they are a dream. Really crazy. You can get right up on there and just flush cut right in. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and let's get it started. Okay, here we go. Yes, success. There you go. Got it out. Now I can clean up this bit here. It's close to the hole. cut this out and go from there. I cut the bottom out. I can't really get the holding tank in with all this business here, but I can definitely see that more cabinet needs to come out. So definitely think I need to have it below this shelf. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut this whole thing out, and then I'll put in a new one wherever it needs to fall. And I'll probably end up cutting at least a big section of this. This like shelf is glassed in, so I could cut a section out so that I'll be able to lift that to get to the access hole that I need to put in the holding tank. But right now I need to get this kind of like loosely set in there so I can see. I mean, this is really tight, you know, so I'm gonna already have like a relocation, like the holding tank fittings relocation kit. So I'll be moving all the fittings to this side and to the top. So now I need to get back at it, cut this out, and leave this guy in place, which should be, yeah, it's not even attached there, so it's attached to the bulkheads. So should be chill, and yeah, back to it. This is the original multi-tool. Boy, that's easier than all that cutting. Only problem is this is glassed up here, so I guess I gotta cut that. Nice. All right. Okay. Another bit out. Let's see how it fits now. I got the whole face cut out. Took out the shelf, bottom shelf. Let's see where our tank fits and what we're up against. Oh yeah, stoked. Cool. So I want to put it in square. I guess right around there. That still gives me room for my seacock handle. That seems pretty good. 2 inches. And if it's flush, It'll kick it out, whatever it kicks out.